Having talked about Stuart Hall and his paper on culture studies and its theoretical legacies, we shall go ahead with the next critic under Marxism and culture studies. It is Susan Sontag, an American critic. First of all, we shall get introduced with her and then we shall go ahead with her essay. Just a minute. We shall get introduced with her biography first of all. Well, as I mentioned earlier, Susan Sontag was an American literary critic, and even she taught criticism in American University. She was born in New York City on 16 January 1933. She grew up in the place named Tucson, Arizona province, and she attended high school in Los Angeles. Sontag received her BA from the College of the University of Chicago, and she did her graduation, or she graduated in philosophy, literature, and theology at Harvard University and St. Anne's College, Oxford. Now, these are some of her books: The Benefactor, Death Kit, The Volcano Lover, In America, a collection of short stories, etc. Several plays, including Alice in Bed and Lady from the Sea. Some of her non-fiction works are, these are very famous works: Against Interpretation and Other Essays, On Photography, Illness as Metaphor, Where the Stress Falls, Regarding the Pain of Others, At the Same Time. And in 1982, she published, actually FSG published, Susan Sontag Reader. She was also a film writer and director. She wrote and directed four feature-length films. Duet for Cannibals of 1969 and The Brother Carl of 1971. Both of these features were directed in Sweden. Then Promised Lands in 1974. It was made in Israel during the War of October 1973. Unguided Tour of 1983 it is a movie from a short story of the same name. It was made in Italy. Further, we refer to her plays. Alice in Bed had this play has had productions in the United States, Mexico, Germany, and Holland. Another play that I referred to in the previous slide, Lady from the Sea, has been produced in Italy, France, Switzerland, Germany, and Korea. She also directed plays in the United States and Europe, which included a staging of Beckett's Waiting for Godot in the summer of 1993. Okay, in BC's Sarajevo, where she spent much of the time between early 1993. Sarajevo is the capital city of Bosnia, another European country. You might be knowing Sarajevo is historically well known. It came into limelight in the year 1914. Okay, when Austria's Prince Archduke Ferdinand was, assassinated in Sarajevo. and then the First World War broke into. So she stayed there between 1993 to 1996, and she became the honorary citizen of the city. Apart from this, we can talk about her other contribution. She was a human rights activist for more than 2 decades. So, as a human rights activist for this time, she served from 1987 to 1989 as the president of the American Center of PEN, which is the International Writers Organization dedicated to freedom of expression and the advancement of literature. And from this platform, she led a number of campaigns on behalf of persecuted and imprisoned writers. Her stories and essays appeared in newspapers, magazines, and literary publications all over the world, which include the prestigious The New York Times, The New Yorker, The New York Review of Books, The Times Literary Supplement, Art in America, then Attius, and then Parnassus, the Three Penny Review, The Nation, and the Granta. Interestingly, her books have been translated into 32 languages. So this is the credit. Apart from her writing, because of her writing and other contributions, she has received many honors. Among her honors are 2003 Peace Prize of German Book Trade, the 2003 Prince of Austria's Prize, the 2001 Jerusalem Prize, the National Book Award Award for in America 2000, and the National Book Critics Circle Award for on photography. In 1992, she received the Malaparte Prize in Italy, Malaparte, and in 1999, she was named a Commandeur d'Ordre des Arts et des Lettres by the French government. Means she has been named an officer in the same order in the 1984. And between 1990 and 1995, she was a MacArthur Fellow. Actually, she was not a teacher as such, but she was basically a writer and a film director, I can say, and even a play director. She died in New York City on December 28, 2004. So this is what we understand about Susan Sontag. We are going to study her essay on interpretation, against interpretation, sorry. We shall talk about it.